In this video I'm going to explain you how you can use FollowMe tool. So let's start with the first. Your path means your design. For example, you want to create any railing. Right, it's your railing design and you want circle, so let's make one circle here. Right, first select your path means your main object, this one, and then go to FollowMe tool, select your profile. See, let me show you again. Line, straight, or anywhere you want to create anything. See, it's like this, and create your profile. Okay, now I want one square. Now you have to select your path, go to the FollowMe tool and then select your profile. Right, same you can use whenever you have to create your door frame. Okay, let me show you. Door height 7 feet, width 3 feet 6 inches, and then 7 feet. So now you want frame. First let's draw frame design. Size I'm using 3 inch by 6 inch. Right, so take a tape tool, 1.5, use pencil tool, eraser. Okay, it's our profile. Okay, we want this type of frame. Now select, move, pick center point and then click here. Right, now select the main path means our frame, go to FollowMe tool and see, our door frame is ready. Same you can use whenever you have to create any pillar. Let me show you. First take one rectangle, size I'm using 9 inches by 7 feet. And now make a shape which you want. Anything you want to create, it's not compulsory, it's just a like example how you can create it. Now erase. For example, I want this part. Okay, this is my standing design, like pillar. Even you can use for your table legs, chair legs, anything you can create like this. Now I want in a circle shape, so create a circle, right? Select and then move, click here. Now you have to select first now you have to create first this circle, follow me tool, and then this. Hope so you are clear how you can create anything with the follow me tool.